Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to sign out of TripAdvisor. I wonder why you want to know how to sign out of TripAdvisor. Maybe because you want to use another account, that's why you want to sign out of it. Or maybe you're having some issues, you just want to fix it by signing out of TripAdvisor. Or there could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can sign out of TripAdvisor. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the TripAdvisor app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the TripAdvisor to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the options at the top of the screen and some options at the bottom, and in the middle of the screen there are different places that you could rent out, or maybe if you want to visit it you can do that. Right now we are in the explore section, therefore you could see we have a lot of different places to visit. There are places that you could visit, there are restaurants that you could dine in, and there are some places that you could go and stay there. As we are in the explore section, therefore you could see these places. Other than that, at the bottom we have different options as well, and with the help of these options you could go onto the other pages and explore other stuff. Along with explore, we have another option which is search. If you go there, you can search for places by its name or type. In plan, there you could plan your trips or save different places. And with the help of review, you can find out about the places. And with the last option, account, with the help of that, you can go to your personal information. Once you get there, on the top you will read account, and there you see multiple options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose in the app. So from all these options, if you look down there, we have this option which says sign out. With the help of that option, if you tap on it, you will be signed out of your account. Once you tap on it, it will ask you again that if you really want to sign out or not. Therefore you have to click on sign out. And if you're thinking that what will happen to your data and information that is saved in this account, so don't worry, your information and data will be saved. Once you log in again, you will get back. So here, as you can see, once I tapped on it sign out, I just got sign out. And if you again want to access back to your account, just click on login and enter your personal information like your username or email address and password, and you will get back on your account. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can sign out of TripAdvisor. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.